All right, here we are at 2201 Sunderland Road here in Maitland, Florida, 32751. We are in Seminole County in the community of English Estates. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,798 square foot. There's a voluntary HOA here in the community for a $35 total. Nice corner lot. Nice, beautiful magnolia tree right in front of the house. No other trees are hanging over, which is great. This home is on septic. So we've either got the septic drainage field right here in the front or it's around the side over there. But we'll come on in here. Again, this porch extends all the way around the property. From what I've been able to gather, this was an investment, so it was a rental. But you've got all brand new windows. Roof is 2023. HVAC is 2023. It's been repiped. They also did a inspection with the septic back when they purchased it, and they have a certification. So as you come in, kind of a 3-way split here, towards the living room, towards the bedrooms, and then into the kitchen. Let me just kind of show you the front door. Here into the kitchen. All white shaker style cabinets. Looks to be a granite with a nice farm style sink. Stainless steel appliances, washer, range, microwave. We got the refrigerator, also an island with an electrical fireplace right here. Nice large pantry. And nice little overhang if you want to put seating in here. They also gave you some outlets here on top, which is a nice little touch. But you've got hardware on all of the cabinets. Kind of your eat-in kitchen area right here. Right off the kitchen is your garage. A very traditional layout. So here's where your washer dryer goes right here. Hot water heater. This is 2006. You've got PEX plumbing. You have to find out that paint's not coming up what that is, but pretty nice size garage, nice work area. Got some storage, attic access right there. Come through the eat-in kitchen. You can make this a formal dining room that we're sitting in right here. You've also got your living space all right here. You've got an outlet into the wall for TV and power, another electric fireplace. But again, all brand new windows. These are all double pane windows as well. Come out here to the pool. So again, they carried some new tile out here as well. This has vinyl siding up here, but it is under the roof line, which is nice. All screened in. Backyard really just needs some good landscaping taken care of. You can kind of see the rolled bitumen right there on the porch that ties into the roof, which is great. What you hear is the pool pump making some noise. And then over here on the corner, so this is the street we came in on, you've got this nice large open space as well as this pergola that they've built into the porch, to the deck. But nice little metal pergola. Same style that I've done back in Costco. So this is actually a really nice build. They've tied it into the deck, which is great. They've even put some electrical into it. Come back into the porch. And that's the pool light. And it works. On it comes. I don't know if you can see that, but the pool light does work. That's great. And these sliders are new as well. Super quiet here in the home. So again, garage and Kitchen that way, back into the living room. You can just tell, see they need to do a little bit of landscaping. So bathroom number 1, also updated electrical panel, which is great. Again, nice storage into our first guest bathroom. Go in here to the bathtub. So again, nice new fixtures, all tile all the way up, tile everywhere. Fiberglass tub. Come back out this way. So all 3 bedrooms right here, master, guest. So bedroom number 1. Each bedroom has this kind of style fan and light inside of it. Again, fans are easy to replace. I wonder if that was cedar that they painted over, but nice wood-lined closet. Get into bedroom number 2. Also super nice about the flooring that they've done here. Oh, sorry, here's the closet. You don't have any transition strips on this flooring, which is great. Here into the master. Sliders to the back deck and the pool. Closet. And then we come over here to the master bath. Again, all new fixtures, tiles on the wall. 2 valves here in the shower.